Hey, how's it going, guys? It's CrazyGamingMonkey here, and today I'm going to be reviewing pretty much a webcam, a streaming webcam, which is kind of the replacement, or not replacement, but similar to the Razer Kiyo, I believe you say it, the Kiyo. And pretty much this camera, it's like, it has pretty much it's like a webcam, but it also does have lights in front and as well as microphones, and it's a good resolution camera, it's supposed to be. I purchased this one on Amazon because they were actually out of the Razer Kiyo ones. So I kind of wanted it, pretty soon. So I went ahead and went to try this out because they do have a pretty standard return policy. So as you can see, it's nothing fancy. There's really no image on the box or anything like that. Let me focus. Okay. So as you can see, it has H.264 encoding. This is 180p, 30 frames per second camera, same I believe as the other one. The only difference is that the Razer one, it's 720 at 60 frames per second, and I'm not sure if this one's capable of doing that. This one is just pretty much promoting the 180p at 30 frames per second. But you see it has dual, let me try to focus. Okay, there you go. So dual stereo noise canceling mic, and then it has precise white balance, background replacement, and then low light correction. And then here's the size. So this one's pretty much a stream webcam. It could work with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android, Linux. I don't know what that second to last one is, and Xbox One as well. Made in China. And then here's the back of it, so you guys can take a look. And this one had pretty good reviews. I believe it was a 4.4 out of 5 stars, and it had over 150 reviews. So I was like, might not be that bad, or it might not even be bad at all. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and focus a little bit better. Okay, and then forgot the top. Cost less, less space, upload faster. Bottom, there's nothing, okay. So I did just get this in the mail today. Go ahead and pull this out. Oh, there's a couple things in the back. Not sure what it is yet. Go ahead and pull this back. It looks like a manual. That's pretty much it. Yeah. User manual. Let's go ahead and zip that aside. Okay, and I think, yeah, nice little cloth. That's a nice touch. And then the camera itself. Okay. This also, I believe it is clip as well. The field of view on the Razer one, it's 81.6, and the field of view on this one, let me double check. Forgot what the field of view was. But I believe it was like 70 something. So let me go ahead and open this up. So it's very similar field of view, I'm guessing. Okay, and as you can see, it does have a different design. I was gonna get one that pretty much looked almost exactly like the Razer one, but this one looked like it did carry a little bit more light in a sense. Camera looks a little bit better, and I'm guessing up here's the mic. Oh no, this is just for the plastic film. And to control the light, I believe, oh, it's a touch sensor. So you just touch the little light sensor right here. And then it adjusts this, I believe there's 3 brightness settings. And then this is a clip. I wonder if it opens any other way. Okay. Oh yeah, so just this. Go ahead and click that somehow. Whatever flat surface you might need. Sorry about the blurriness. I'm trying to do this as best as I can. And then this cable, I would say, like pretty long. I would say probably maybe like 5 feet long. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the user manual and see what else is in it. Let's check this out first, see if it has configuration requirements. And then it does have software download. Alright. Hopefully you guys got a good look at that. User manual. Pretty basic. And then it just tells you basic instructions. So this is pretty much if you just want to go ahead and go into more detail for that. Just basically how to set up, what you need to do, etc., etc. Pretty nice user manual. Well, most of it's in English, I believe. I think everything's in English. Yep, it is. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and then let's go ahead and plug this in. I actually do have my laptop right here. So let's see how bright the lights are. Okay, so that should be off. Can't really see that well. Okay, so I believe this is the lowest. That's medium. And then the highest. I am not gonna lie, it is pretty bright. Because I was thinking of using like a studio light that I have right here. The one that I'm using for this video. And it's cool that it's touch. I feel like I would personally like the touch more than an actual button. I'm not sure what the Razer one has. I don't know if it's like a little switch up here or a button. I didn't really get to see it that well. I don't think it's touch. Yeah, I don't think it's touch in the front camera. But either way, I was gonna say, because if it is like a button or a switch or something like that, pretty much it'll just move the camera a little bit more. Because if you have to flip the switch, the camera will just kind of dislocate in place, and it'll kind of, in a sense, mess up your shot. On this one, you just slightly tap, and I'll go ahead and light up for you, which is really, really useful and cool. Alright, so that's it for that unboxing. So let's go ahead and check out the quality now. I'm so mesmerized by the touch. Oh yeah, and this is very great as well. And I believe it does have a plastic under here. Oh, okay. I didn't even notice that. So as long as you touch anywhere, sorry, as long as you touch anywhere on the rim, yeah, it's touch. Okay, so I thought it was just here. So I guess that's kind of useful if your finger for some whatever reason can't reach that light bulb icon. Alright, let's go check out the resolution. Hey, how's it going, guys? It's CrazyGamingMonkey here, and this is going to be the second part of this video, basically showing the camera itself. So we're testing it out in OBS Studio. We're going to go ahead and go to, where's it? Video capture device. There we go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and call it cam. And oh no, not this one. No. Alright. That's much better. The other one shows my ugly side. What she sees when you on top of her, that's what she sees. That's what she sees. Never mind. Anyways. Okay, so here it is. So basically the camera itself. As you can tell, I'm in a dark room. It's gonna be dark. The camera itself is square, but you could change that. If you like it square, you could have it square. But if not, you could go to custom, resolution, and voila! It actually captures a little bit more. So that's really good. But if you want a small square, you want to be a small little square, you just go here. Oh wait, that's not a small square. I don't know. There you go. And then you just configure that. But actually, if you want to get a wide shot, that's actually pretty good. It's not bad. Let me try this just for... Not bad. Okay, but the max, I think it's... Wait. I'm not sure. I think it might be this one. Not bad. And then pretty much 30 frames per second. Let's see. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that laggy. It's pretty good. Okay, anyways, so this is the camera quality, right? I'm in a dark room, so this is where the light feature is going to come in clutch. Wait, fix my hair a little bit. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna try the first setting first, see how the light is. And it does have autofocus, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, ready? That's the first. Not bad. It's still not enough lighting. Sometimes you need some more light in your life. So all you have to do is tap again. That's pretty good for in a dark room. Also, the first setting, it's very dim, but I feel like in a really completely dark room, it would actually come in handy. This is right here. The sunlight is pushing through the curtains, so that's why I feel like the camera is kind of focusing in the back, and it's just trying to capture light. So that's why it's not really focusing in on me. But if it's completely dark room, I'm pretty sure it would light up pretty well as well. I can't really speak for that because I'm not in a completely dark room, but I'm guessing that's what it is. And then the third setting, this is pretty good. This is pretty good lighting. The third setting is the brightest. That's pretty good. That's cool. What up, y'all? CrazyGamingMonkey here, back with another video. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I think it's good resolution. Obviously, it's gonna have like some little nicks here and there, but this is where the properties could come in clutch. I tried going to their website to see if there's any software that I could download or anything like that, but that website doesn't exist anymore, so it kind of sucks because I wanted to see what there was to be able to mess around with. Okay, so configure video. Here we go. So this is where most of its magic could happen. You could configure it to your liking. If it's still too dark, or maybe, hold on, let me go to the first setting. So that's kind of dark, right? I can turn it up, but then everything gets bright, so. Second setting, pretty good. And one thing that I like too is that the camera doesn't really capture the outer light, like the light of the like, it doesn't really capture the light, because usually you would see like a white. I mean, you could slightly see it here, but it's not that noticeable, which is really good. I was afraid that it was gonna try to kind of be blinded by the light, if that makes sense. You could increase your contrast, your hue, if you want to be the Hulk. Sharpness. Okay, sharpness, I'm pretty sure you're gonna want it up. Or you could do auto. Oh no, you can't. I mean, it's just up by one. Gamma. The bright lord. Alright, so I guess you could probably mess around with all this stuff. White balance, backlight, gain. Oh, saturation. I think I messed up. Want to be a little more colorful. Obviously, I mean, it kind of looks a little bit like weird in a sense, but that is because, I mean, I don't feel like face cams are supposed to be this big either way. Maybe a bit smaller like this. Yo, what up, guys? For sure, way smaller because you're not gonna take up like 1/3 of the screen. So like, this is where the 30 frames per second kind of show, because you could kind of see like the little shadow, if that makes sense. Like if I whip my head, I keep pointing to my like actual laptop camera, but yeah, pretty sure 60 frames per second I wouldn't have this. But at the same time, most of your viewers are gonna be focusing on what's actually on the big screen, and instead of you, if your mainly your focus is quality of the actual webcam, then I'm pretty sure there's higher, more expensive cameras. But let me go ahead and show you what it is. Okay, so pretty much this is here. So this, I mean, not this is here. This is what it is. This is what I purchased. I wonder if the camera's actually showing me right now. I think so. Either way. Okay, so yeah. So this is how it's presented. It could also work on Xbox, I'm guessing. So when you stream on like Mixer, that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, look, 140 ratings. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I said it was over 150. But it's 4.3. Oh, I think I must have found that. But I mean, I like it. I like it. I enjoy it. I mean, for my first webcam, I never really had a webcam before. Compared to the Razer, I feel like it might be a good comparison. Because the only difference is that the Razer might have 60 frames per second at 720p. And I don't think this has it. But at the same time, your resolution kind of goes down a little bit. As I said, if your main thing is quality of the camera, then you'll probably be better off buying like a 4K camera or something with 60 frames per second, but that's probably gonna run you over $200. Either way, thank you guys for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, and if you want to check it out, I mean, it's not bad. It's just $80 compared to the Razer. It's $100. Plus, they're out of stock, so you're probably gonna have to be waiting a while until you actually get your hands on one. Either way, thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, please. Sure to review more things in the future, as well as upload more gameplays as well, now using a face cam. So yeah, stay tuned. It's CrazyGamingMonkey. Peace. Let me go ahead and awkwardly stop.